President Muhammadu Buhari don knack National Assembly with 2023 budget of 20.51 trillion naira. President Muhammadu Buhari don present the 2023 budget proposal to the joint session of the National Assembly for Abuja. This na the last time President Buhari go present budget to the National Assembly as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Before the presentation of the 2023 budget, President can review 2022 budget implementation and yarn some of the achievements of the budget. On top of the 2023 budget, President Muhammadu Buhari can yarn say this budget na budget of fiscal sustainability and transition, when im main objective na to maintain fiscal viability and make sure say dem hand over power give new government without yawa. The oil price benchmark for this budget na $70 per barrel, with daily oil production estimate of 1.69 million barrels and exchange estimate of 435 naira 57 kobo to a dollar, and GDP rate of 3.75% and 17.16% inflation rate. Total federally distributable revenue they estimated at 11.09 trillion naira for 2023, while total revenue available to take fund the budget na 9.73 trillion naira. This appropriation bill na to maintain the focus of MDAs for revenue side of the budget and attention of internal revenue generation. A total of 20.51 trillion naira named dem proposed for the federal government for 2023, and this one includes 2.42 trillion naira spending for government businesses. President Buhari talk say this budget go ensure fiscal sustainability, improve business-friendly environment, increase current revenue-based fiscal consolidation efforts, and constantly strengthen the expenditure and debt management. President Muhammadu Buhari talk say to close the infrastructure gap and boost economic performance, government go develop projects when good for public-private partnership. President talk say no dey happy say students don dey house sake of ASUU strike matter. E con talk say dem don provide 470 billion naira for the 2023 budget to increase salary for tertiary institutions. He say government dey committed to implement the agreement when dem sign with different staff unions. For health matter, government go focus their torchlight to equip hospitals when they already and repair some of their buildings. Dem go constantly put body for local production of medicines and vaccine. For women empowerment, government go continue to do things when go improve the standard of living of women. On top food prices, President Buhari talk say dem go ginger effort to boost food production and distribution for Nigeria. For boosting manufacturing performance, Buhari talk say dem go implement effective policies wey go position the manufacturing sector to generate foreign exchange and constantly improve business environments. On top Safe School initiative, dem don budget 15.2 billion naira to provide safe and ogbonge learning environment for schools. On top defense and internal security, President Buhari talk say dem go continue to give am top priority. President Buhari say insecurity, especially kidnapping and banditry, go face serious fights from government to make sure say peace stand out for Nigeria. President Buhari when talk say this budget dey focus to increase the standard of living of people for Nigeria. Constantly talk say this budget go address the important issues and lay foundations for the incoming government. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget to your PVC9 be your power. No salam give any politician on election day.